In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find marketing partners of PayPal. If you're looking for this information for privacy awareness, account management, or simply to better understand how your data preferences are handled, the process is very straightforward. We'll be navigating through your PayPal account settings and privacy options to locate the section where PayPal lists its partners. To begin, sign in to your PayPal account and look for the gear icon, usually located in the upper area of the page. This gear icon opens your account settings. Go ahead and click it to access the main settings menu. This is where PayPal organizes important account controls, including personal details, security settings, and privacy-related options. Once you're inside settings, find and click the Data and Privacy section. This area contains the controls and information related to how your data is used, stored, and managed. If you're reviewing your privacy choices, this is an important section to become familiar with because it brings together several tools that help you understand your account's data preferences. After that, look for the option labeled Manage Your Cookies and click on it. This takes you to PayPal's Cookie Preferences area, where you can review settings related to tracking technologies and related privacy controls. Depending on your device or browser, this page may open directly or take a moment to load. So give it a second if needed. Once you're on the Cookie Preferences page, look for the link or button that says See Our Partners. Clicking this will show you the list of PayPal's partners associated with this part of their privacy and cookie disclosures. This is the section you'll want if your goal is to identify the marketing partners referenced by PayPal. As a quick tip, if you don't immediately see the option, scroll carefully through the page and read the labels closely, since the layout can vary slightly depending on whether you're using desktop or mobile. It's also a good idea to make sure you're fully logged in, because some account-related privacy pages may be easier to access that way. And that's all it takes. By opening Settings, going to Data and Privacy, selecting Manage Your Cookies, and then choosing See Our Partners, you can quickly find the partner information you're looking for inside PayPal. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you navigate the privacy settings with confidence.